Guess what? We are in sunny Spanish Town, and we're with one of our really good customers again. Just to deliver one package today. She normally ships a whole lot of packages, but today she only wants this little thing that will take into her as speedily as possible. But before we go, tell me what you think about her service.
Oh, always fast and reliable. Very reliable. Don't have to go out anywhere to collect.
Right.
That's the best part of it.
That's the most convenient part.
Just come to me and it's
Yeah. In the comfort of your home.
Comfort of my home.
Nice. Is there anything you think we can do to improve this service?
No, I haven't had any. No, I don't see anything.
You don't say anything right now. But guess what I want you to do to improve my service? There's a card on the back of this. All I want you to do is input your mailbox number and give it to a friend or a family member so the family can grow.
Will do.
All right, so them can.
I allow Brittany to do that too.
There you go. Long time star. And we
going.
really appreciate it.
Right.
All right, have a good one.
Yeah, man.
And
Thank you
thanks for
very
shipping
much.
with us.
Always.
All right, good. See, another happy customer. She has been making references. One of her favorite customers is she bring them on. Enlarge your family. Bring on some friends and family. All right? Thank you.